Hello students, the topic of today's lecture is photochemistry with the objective of learning about the introduction and the absorption of light. So, what is photochemistry? It is the study of interaction of electromagnetic radiation, that is light, with matter that can bring about a physical change or a chemical change. Such reactions are light dependent, where the activation energy is given by the absorption of light. There may be two processes involved in photochemical reactions, a primary process, for example, fluorescence, and secondary process, for example, photosynthesis, the details of which we will study in the upcoming lectures. The basic difference between thermochemical reactions and photochemical reactions is the presence of light as the primary requisite for a photochemical reaction to take place, and the temperature dependence of thermochemical reaction, whereas photochemical reactions have little to no effect on the reaction rate or the reaction process. The most common examples of photochemical processes as well as photophysical processes have been listed for your reference. To grasp an idea about how light can bring about these changes, kindly go through the table. With this, I'd like to conclude this presentation. Thank you for your attention, and also thank you to the Teaching Learning Center of Dibrugarh University for introducing us to the tools and techniques vital for today's online mode of teaching. Thank you once again.